Hey guys, this is Pravinya Sagar. Welcome to my channel Learn Gardening with me. Uh, you can see some bottles and some seeds over here. This is how simple you can grow your coriander at home. Organic way. You don't know what chemicals are being added, what pesticides are being added out stores which you get chemically loaded. So this is the organic way of growing your coriander. This is the simplest method. You can see some coriander seeds which are called dhania and soil for potting mix. You can take any type of soil. I'm taking normal garden soil. You can also grow this in cocoa peat and some sawdust, but for me it's fine. My coriander does grow well in this. And this is the sapling stage of it. You can still see the coriander is being still attached. Well, the leaflets are not opened also. You can also see. So this is the sapling stage, and this till here it have grown of it is of 16 days plant. It is 16 days sapling, and this is of 25 days after sowing seeds. You can see how good and how well the structured leaf are. You can see. So let us start our process. The easiest method of growing. What I have done is I've bought some locally bought uh, seeds. You can also bring this from the nursery if you want. And this is our mortar and pestle. You can use any hard tool, but I'm using this. What you have to do is take few seeds, add in this. Don't smash it, as you are not making any masala powder. What you do is just apply pressure. That's it. A little pressure, not too hard, not to damage the seed. So just a little pressure. This is enough. I'll show you how this is. You can see it's been divided into half. If you are not, I'll show you this. When adding, you can just check it out. This way you have to put pressure. Now what I'll do is, I have taken my soil. I have plenty amount of coriander. Just to show for the sake of video, I have taken this. It is a little container. You can take huge also according to your family size. Take this separated seeds which I have been broken into half. You know how to plant. You can also plant this as in rows by making, as it is a small planter. I'm not making it into rows. Just sprinkle it. You know, this coriander takes much time to grow, to start its germination. This is enough. What I'll do is some garden soil. You can also cover it with cocoa peat, as it will be easier for the seeds to germinate, as it is of lightweight. I'm just adding a very thin layer of it. Don't add too thick. In winters it will take about 14 to 15 days to germinate, as in summer it will germinate faster, about in a week or more. That's it. I'm just tapping it down. No need to cover each and every grain. Let, but check that the seeds are not being overlapped. Now I'll just spray. Don't directly put this in sunlight, as it will take much time. So just put it in dark place, and after a week or about 14 to 15 days it will do germinate, and you can see it has germinated. And this is a 16 day after sowing. This is a 16 day. You grow your coriander in batches. Make sure every week or at a certain date you plant this coriander seeds, so that you will have a all year supply without any break for your kitchen and salad purpose. And this is a 25-day plant. Actually, we can grow this coriander uh, from the same seed twice or thrice, and you can also give it good nutrition, then you'll get. And this is how I have harvested this is a still a small little stage, and I have already harvested this coriander for our kitchen and cooking purpose. And you can see the growth has already started, and this will regrow. And you can also use this is how simple and easiest way of growing coriander. But what you have to do is just you find a good quality seed. While applying pressure, you make sure you don't smash the seeds to a fine powder, or without damaging it. You can also do this with some other tools which are not this heavy, but this is easier for me, so I'm using this without adding much pressure. And I'm not making a fine powder, I'm just breaking it open, so that I'm reducing the seed rate. If I can also add this whole amount, but if I'll break it into a half, I can get two saplings from a single seed. This is how you can also save your seeds, and you can also grow your own food for the salad purpose and much more. For more interesting videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.